How to change Roblox birthday under 13. Now, the only way to change or update your birthday if you're under 13 on your Roblox account is the via customer support. Yes, you heard it right. We really need to coordinate with their customer support. To do that process, just simply pull up your preferred browser and go to roblox.com, log into your account. Now, once you're logged into your account, you'll have to do a search again. So go to roblox.com forward slash support and then enter. Now you will be routed to contact us page. You'll just have to fill in necessary information here, and then your issue details is gonna be what device are you having a problem on. You simply choose PC or maybe your Android device, and then change the type of help category to age-based settings and accounts with parental privileges. Then on the second option, just go ahead and click on change child age. Now, on the description of the issue, please do not mention that I am not under 13. So, what you need to do on the description is just simply type in I have input incorrect birthday date. So, once you hit on continue, the Roblox support will provide you or send you a message of an automated system in which you'll have to read slowly and understand that specific instruction. Because based on my experience on the automated system that you will be getting on that message is there is actually a reference number in it for you to be able to confirm it. So you just have to copy that reference number and go back to this page. Simply choose on the same options right here, PC, age-based settings and accounts with parental privileges, change child age, and then you'll have to paste the reference number right here from the automated system that you have received once you've done this, and then just copy the specific reference number and then type in confirm. So those are the steps on how you can change the birthday on Roblox under 13.